Good day, sir. My name is DJL Naong, and I'm from the Bachelor of Science of Information Technology 1H. So the next laboratory that I will make is the recursion. So, so what is recursion? So the recursion is the technique of making a function call itself. So this technique provides a way to break complicated problems down into the simple problem which are easier to solve. So kani siya na recursion is mo ni siya ang kanang mga function na binabalik lang nato hangtod sa makuha nato ang solusyon. So ang gamiton nako na recursion is ang the palindrome. So ang palindrome is kanang basahon niya kung magkapareho ba ang index sa first and last. So ang unang himuon nato is nakahimo na ta og class and ang main. So, ang class na to is default, ang assistive modifier niya. So, mag-string ta. So, ang atong object is ang palindrome. So, naka-string man. So, mag-isip ta o palindrome na word. Um, ano, Hana. Uh, Madam. Madam. String ta o kuan. So, ibutang na to siya dire. So, ang atong palindrome then as is palindrome. Then, paman-an na dili ta maghimo og function sa bali dili ta maghimo og method. Palindrome na salita. Then, gamiton nato ni siya kay para makuha nato kung sa taman kung asa taman ang word na iya or index na iyang gibutang. Next is naman na ta. So, magtawag na ta og kaning pula method. Tapos ito lang natin yung suggested button then nanatay method sa baba. Hmm. Pagdiin lang nato ang kuan para first ang first is kanang unang index and ang last is kanang last index sa word. Then, dili na ta mag-process sa method body. So, pagdiin nato siya default na default na to siya. Hmm. Pagdiin nato siya ayun yan na then dili ta magsugod sa process na the first is equal to last. Kung mag-equal ba sila, return ta og true. Ah, So dili magkambyo na ita kay true or false, so kambyo na ito siya og boolean. True. Then another if ang palindrome na character or index first ano, is not equal to palindrome dot sa last na if ang palindrome sa first index is not equal sa last index sa palindrome na word is mag-return ta og false. Na. After nato magbutang is butang na nato ang isa pa return. Magbutang pa ta isa ka return. Sa return ang function return is palindrome first of 1 and last minus of 1. Ano lang, and done. So, mana ni. So, ang atong palindrome na gigamit is madam. So, atong i-run kung mugana ba. So, madam is a palindrome. So, true. If nagbutang tao, ano, sige ito, motor, so, motor is a palindrome, false. May dili siya magkapareho o first and last index sa atong string. So, wala po to sa akong recursion method and thank you po.
Hello everyone, I'm Dave Lamoste and today we're gonna be learning about recursion. What is a recursion? Recursion is a process in which a method calls itself. So let's try, give an example here, public static void, so say hi method in which it will print out hi. So this is an example of a void method, but let's make it recursive by declaring the method again. So what will happen is that this what's inside this block of code, say hi method, will print out hi, and then it will call the method again, which is say hi. So what's inside say hi is hi, and then it will call say hi again non-stop and until it errors. So let's try running it. Say hi. Right, try running it. As you can see, it's build failure. It's having an it experienced an error, right? Because it's looping non-stop and the system just can't handle this much, right? So what can we do? Example, we want to only print say hi 5 times, just like a for loop. So in order to do that, we must set our parameters here int, because we'll be setting an if statement, if condition, if a let's say if a is equal to 0, then uh, the method will print out, and else it will print out hi, and then it will call the say hi method again. Alright, say hi, but it has a minus 1, so that's how the recursive works. Let's say we have here 5, say hi 5. So say hi 5, what happens here is that say hi method 5, if a, in which this case will be 5, if 5 is equal to 0, then the system will print out, and else it will go here, this block of else code, in which it will print out hi, and then it will it has a recursive case here that says that that calls the method and then declares an a minus 1, in which 5 minus 1, and then 5 minus 1 will go back to the method, and then this a will become 4, and then loop again. So this is our base case, and this else, inside this else block, is our recursive case. So our if is our base case, then our else is our recursive case. So let's try running it, see what happens. Alright, so it only print out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 highs and then end, because we only set it to 5, and then our condition here in our base case is if a is equal to 0, then the loop will end, else it will keep on looping by having this a minus 1 inside our parameter. So that's how recursion works, and this is an example of a recursive method. So that's all. Thank you.
Good day, I'm Cyrene Ganloy from PSIT 1H. So, karon mabuhat og video about sa recursion on how to how the method recursion work sa Java. So, mo sa NetBeans ta. So, naka-create na ko upuan diri. So, atong button kayo wala ni. Kana siya. Kaning. Then, kaning. So, atong button diri kay mag-create og variable name na support name my name Cyrene then 5 or 5 kana. Then mag-create na ba ta another publics with another country, yeah, space sa public static void. So kung sa variable name, method name, dili kana siya iputan mo diri Cyrene, then under is kung pila ang parameter nimo. So isa lang man, so atong putang diri n na lang n. And so bracket. So ato ang gamit mo diri nga kuan if else statement. So if then n or is less than or less than or equal to 0. Then mag-prompt test duty. So atay butang diri kay done or done lang done. Sunod else no duty ta diri tab and then instead of dapat sa po dapat and the decrement. So atong butang diri kay method name or variable name, then n minus 1. Instead of kung ano ba, n minus minus, pwede na siya n minus 1. So, na siya. So, kung i-run nato na siya, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kay, if n is less than or equal to 0, diba is paan? True ba or false? Diba false na siya. So, at n less than or equal to 0, na siya done, then else. So, dili man na false man, diba? And example 5 is less than or equal to 0, diba? Dapat dili, mali siya. So, dito siya mo, adto sa else. So, else, i-print niya ang 5, then balik na po siya og sa if, then, so, 5 na siya, less than or equal to 0, false, then din na siya, sa else ako, then, nakita niya ang decrement, or n minus 1, matong mo, minus siya og 1, so ang 5, mahimo na siya og 4, man ang wala na sa recursion. So, ano to sa recursion, same basic lang na siya. Thank you.